people, internet don't catch fire as Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, don't come outside say he don't launch armored tanker. Now people come they ask. I say they say that the Biafra government in exile go launch armored tanker today. Now they come bring one armored tanker, come show us. So more if you see this armored tanker, no be smart, you know. I will play the video, may you watch as the armored tanker today. Even the followers of Simon Ekpa confirm it that the most armored tanker that was launched is in everybody's eyes. Koro. I go play the video, may you watch. I got another information. What would they get today? Be say that the IMF don't agree to borrow some money, give Simon Ekpa, making take prepare for the war. My people, things are happening. Let us go watch the armored tanker waiting. Some followers of Simon Ekpa talk before we go come back. Go continue.
It's a pleasure having you here. What can you say concerning, of course, sit at home yesterday was something else. There was compliance, and it was alleged that the Biafran Republic government in exile launched some hard military wares. How true is that, and how prepared are the Biafran Republic government in exile?
It's legal by United Nations law, and they must launch it in the entity of the first capital is country. And Nigerian government to know the law there is a Nigerian government should attack them. The United Nations want to see if Nigerian government can intercept them or not. That's the first. That's the second launching again. After the second launching, then they will not declare Biafra in Finland. That's the law. So it's true. All what they did is true, and it's open. All Nigeria is a Nigerian office server, so people will not watch it in Nigeria. So in as much as office server, the problem about that. But to other international diaspora, they understand what is going on. Like the DMT news, West news, everybody understand. OAU, everybody see it. Everybody West Africa, server is open. So that will happen.
Over 7,000 armored tanks was launched in the eastern region.
The armored tank that was launched in the eastern region is more than 500,000 pieces that was launched in the eastern region by the 5 states. They launched in the 5 states. The boys were in all 5 states, and the machine gun as well, and everything is open. Nigeria knows, not that Nigeria don't know. Nigeria knows, Nigeria cannot face them. But this time around they come out. I said before that rain will show will so fall, and the rain is falling now. It's about to fall heavily now on Nigeria. Thank you.
5 states, is it just the Biafran territory, or what exactly is happening? What about the rest of other states that is claimed to be part of the 40th United States of Biafra? Why the 5 states?
According to the law of United Nations, the 5 states, they must be launched in the 5 states where the first captain of the Biafra, their languages contribute from Igbo land, where they speak Igbo language. And that is why they have to go to Igbo land to launch it, according to the law of United Nations, where the language of Ojukwu himself is the 5 states.
Don't you think why Nigeria could not react or respond to that, because they consider that as a child's play, that they are not serious?
Well, Nigeria will think, there's a lot of imagination, but the government, the political leaders of Nigeria understand. If it were before, even though something that is not up to that, they will send army everywhere. But army is everywhere. Army really face them, but army could not prevail. On the Tuesday before the D-Day, army faced them in Ihara, but army could not prevail. Army faced them in Enugu Wednesday. They could not prevail. So what really happened is that they overpower Nigeria army, they overcame Nigeria police. Because what happened that they should understand that it's the federal government, vice president, the federal government. Nigerian police always intimidate civilians. Because no time of war, but people never fight civilians, but people never kill civilians. But Nigerian army always kill civilians, kill children.
Wonderful people, we still on the social media saga between the Benins and the Igbos and other tribe. I'm going to bring this video for you, but this is my advice to good Igbo people. Please stop going to those platforms. There is things we say in life that there are some people you quite know that this person, yes, talk reach to and for now. Wanna go stay. But when person will talk no reach you and that person, do not go and engage in talk with that person, because you, number one, you don't see things. You understand? So that person where they talk, you never see anything. Some claims where they make there is totally false. So I want you to watch this video and hear waiting person they protect and waiting person they defend.
Picture now, you show already my picture. You see now the candle.
That makes you
yes.
bad.
That makes you a bastard.
That makes you bad.
Yes.
That makes you a bad person. So go ahead. You're not good.
Yes. Okay. I want to ask this question. Can you tell me any country in the world that have South in their country?
Area 51 answer before I go give her my own.
Okay, I beg, make answer this question. Mr. Lion King.
Yes, my brother.
Okay, now you want to say south, north, east, and west, right? And you want to say there's no south. Okay, fine. Very, very good question. So, what are 4 cardinal points used for? Before I answer your question,
the 4 cardinal point is west, east, north, and south.
Mute your mic.
Mute. You never reach on.
Please, Mr. Lion King, please go ahead. What are 4 cardinal points used for? Hold on. You can't just come here and say you want to talk. Hold on.
Yes, we have.
I don't have time for nuisance. Go ahead.
Okay.
We have west, east, north, and south.
Okay. I said, what are they used for? What are they used for?
No,
that is what I'm asking you.
Is you to answer. Is no, you to answer
South,
my
South, and
question.
me, I will tell you about South. See, let me tell you. These 4 cardinal points. I want to answer your question.
This is not a marketplace. Answer your question. You don't know. I make you answer you now.
I want to answer your question. Number 1, 4 cardinal points was created when GPS came into existence. I'm sure you know what this thing is. GPS is, right? Because without GPS, there's no 4 cardinal points. Without no 4 cardinal points, there's no GPS. So 4 cardinal points, it is only made for direction, only for GPS. That is number 1. And number 2, we live in a country where we have geopolitical zone and geographical zone, which they also have in the Middle East. Have you been to Dubai before? Mr. Lion King, on mute, have you been to Dubai before?
No.
You've not been to Dubai, no. But you have friends that have gone to Dubai before, right?
No.
You don't have anybody that's gone to Dubai before. Okay, now, but you know when they say they want to go to Dubai, you see when they talk about Dubai, it's just when they talk about Saudi Arabia, Qatar. I'm sure you know all these countries, right?
Yes.
And you know they're in the Middle East, right?
Yeah.
Okay, please tell me, what is this Middle East?
No, I'm not here to tell you that.
What I'm asking,
they ask you questions. Since you want to tell us there's no answer, he's asking you a question. Please answer.
Exactly.
Because I'm not giving another exotic man from.
No, I'm just telling you because there is no such thing as Middle East. It is just a geopolitical zone. But if you still put it on the map, it is still coming out. So I'm just telling you that the 4 cardinal points is nothing but just for direction.
Okay, that is that's what you're telling me. That is normal. That is okay, accepted. Okay. Another question that I have to put to you is that if you come to Nigeria, we have a south, we have southeast, we have southwest, we have north.
We have north central.
Now, but can you believe me that there is Igbo people that is in that according to the Nigeria how they shared it There's Igbo people that is in part of North today.
The ones that migrated there, of course, I know that.
No, not migrate. I'm not talking about migrate. I'm talking about the one they use state and carve and put to North.
Wait, please, I don't understand your question. No? You said they carved and the Igbo states in the North?
Yes, because there's a Benue state. Yes, there's a Benue state.
Okay.
There's Benue state.
So Benue state. Wait, Benue state is not Igbo land.
Yeah. I'm coming. I ask you because why I'm saying it. I came from Ebonyi State and Abakaliki.
Okay.
And as I'm talking to you, during the time that they create a state, there is some our place that speak the same language with me are based on the state. They carve it and put to North. As I'm talking to you, I'm not telling you something that somebody say is something. Because from my place to go to Benue State is the express road to Benue. So now, how can the Igbo people living in Nigeria, some is in Ebonyi State, some is in Anambra, some is in Abia, some is in Imo State, but some also is in Benue State because of the state they created. Is it normal?
Sir, sorry, please. Can you guys just carry them away from Benin? Bring them to the east. Give them land and build houses for them. You guys are billionaires now. You have money. Big developers. You have money. Build houses for them. Remove them from Benin. Bring them to the east. Please do that for brothers. Please.
It's not a matter of
Mr. Lion King. Wait, Mr. Lion King. If you look at the map of Nigeria, right? You are talking about Benue State. They have a border with Kogi. They have with Enugu. They have with they have with this Nasarawa. They have with I think Gombe and Taraba.
And Ebonyi State.
And Ebonyi State. Hold on. Yes. Even Cross River. Even Cross River has a border with Benue, Ebonyi with Benue, Enugu, Taraba, Nasarawa, and Kogi. So now you are telling me that Nasarawa is there, Kogi is there, other states are there, but they now decided to cut Igbo people out of the southeast and now carve it as another place called Benue. Even when Benue is bigger than the whole of the five southeastern states, how did that come by? See, have you seen the map of Nigeria before independence? I'm sure you have not seen it. Have you seen the map of Nigeria pre-independence? I'm sure you have not seen it. So please, how come Benue people are now Igbo people that was carved out? Do you even speak the same language with them? I don't understand how Benue became part of the Southeast. Because now, I don't claim Benue again.
No, please. You see, let us face the reality.
What's the reality?
Let you know the reality is this. Nigeria is not fair to themselves, because as you are now, you are from Edo or from Benin. How can you stand to you that part of you that are speaking the same language that are speaking is now living in Anambra? How did it sound to you? How can you see that one of your uncle that are living to near another place was now cut off and put to another place? That is what we are saying. We are not saying, and again, let me come to the Biafra of a thing. Yes, my brother, you said that Nigeria, that if people that are supposed to worry, worry and shout, is supposed to be you people that be the one that marginalized. Okay, I'm listening.
Now we've been hearing a lot of cut off. I don't time. Cut off, they cut here, we don't know. Now, are you saying...
Sorry, 1 minute, I won't drop. I want to show you something. Did you know yesterday, these people, they have carried this thing outside Nigeria. Do you know this new party in Dublin? This new Dublin Nationalist Party, right? Igbo people Ghana come talk say na them be the Black Vikings. We be say they say na them develop Dublin. Now the woman herself post time she is one of the co-founders of the fastest rising party in Ireland, Dublin. They said they be Black Vikings, say na Igbo people, say na them build Dublin, say na their land. Now they come talk say after them deport those Black Vikings come Africa, say na them come become the Igbo nation. Now you are no longer from Israel, from Egypt. Now you are from Dublin. Yes, this woman, go to her page. She posted it herself. She's the co-founder of one of the biggest parties now in Ireland. They said after them deport those Black Vikings, say na them now come turn to Igbo later for Nigeria. So where exactly are you from? Now from which hole now na crawl out come up from? Because I don't understand all this developed Dublin. When I say on I be Japanese, on I be Israeli, on I be Egypt, on I be Papua New Guinea, on I be from Gabon, on I be from Cameroon. Now you are from Dublin. Now you are from Dublin.
Area 51.
Yes, Legal 52. Yes. Lion King 52.
Area 51, you surprised? You not be surprised. That is what APOB stands for. They don't know their father, they don't know their mother. So don't be surprised, my brother.
No, my question.
Okay.
Joy, I want to answer your question. We are asking about court.
Me, I won't drop. I beg, I will send you that thing now to your other phone. Read them out, give us. Yeah, sister. Read them out, give us. I won't send you now. Read them out to your other phone.
Joy.
Wait. You guys
should I continue?
I don't lose weight.
Lion King, chill.
Hold on. Lion King, you said they are cutting. They cut here, they cut that place, they cut. If
yourself, you know that is what I'm saying is the truth.
You are not cutting. Okay, quiet, I beg. You don't cut shit. If people won't cry, say they cut places. Now we do. Have you heard about the Great Benin Empire? When you go to Enugu, Ezekiel, we've got Edo people there. When you go to Onitsha, you've got some people in Anambra as well. Now, you see the Edoed people from the Urobos, the rest of them. We know they cry. We know they talk, say they cut. In fact, we've never taken our microphone to go to people from Enugu, Ezekiel. So go and tell them, my name is Joy, I'm from Edo. You are from where? You came from Edo. We don't do it. Even people from Ika and the rest of them, they trace their ancestry to the Great Benin Empire. And we have never one day cry out that, oh, now we can't get them. There is an adage in Edo that says, no zikara zeka, no zudora zudo, amaze woma, awi. Let the Eka speak Eka. And those Eka people have been there even before the emergence of the Igbo. And we've got proof. I can put the proof here. All right? Where they were doing whatever slave and all of that. We've got the proof. But I think it's the Edo people that should, the present day Edoed people, the Edo people, that should be crying that they cut here. Even to Ghana. There was one place in Ghana. There was one church I used to go. That man was a Ghanaian pastor. He used to tell me, Joy, in case some people from Ghana, they come from there, they change their ancestry to Benin. I'm going to say from my mind, about 12, 14 years ago, that pastor in Ghana, I said, I beg, only for last year, some group of people from Ghana came to the Oba of Benin's palace and told the Oba of Benin that their ancestors came from the Great Benin Empire. So I don't understand about this pot.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
Don't let me knock you out because I don't invest much more now.
Lion King.
There's no problem. I say, can I ask you a question? You say something. I have right to ask you a question now. I'm not saying I'm going to talk. I say I want to ask you a question.
The question where everyone asks you, why you never answer?
Which one?
All the question would ask you since. Why you never answer?
The one I did not answer, I say I don't know.
You said what is South, and I said people are going to Dubai. I said what is Middle East, and I already gave you why we have South, Southwest, Southeast, and all the whole 4 cardinal points, and even their sub. So I don't understand what you mean. So you are the one that should go and educate yourself
I say I agree with you. I say I agree with you.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you share this video and also make sure say they follow the channel for more updates. As you hot, drop your own opinion for inside comment section. For those of you now we go come they find who you want so to remember say the blocking is allowed, and I go also give you back to back before I go remove you. Now so it be. So as you drop your comment, may you use your account uche. Now so it be.